Good morning, guys. What up? Let's like up the stream. Let's get the questions and tickets in, and I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Good morning, guys. We are going to start in 7 minutes, so get the questions in, get those tickets in. I'm just in the Discord right now. I will be with you guys in 7 minutes. Good morning, guys. For those who have just joined, if you can do me a huge favor, just like up the stream, put in a question, get the tickers in, and yes, like up the stream. We are going to start in 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Good morning, guys. We are going to start in 1 minute. All right, 1 minute. I will repost the link as well so we can get more people in here. We will only start in 1 minute. See you guys in a bit. Just sorting something out real quick. All right, guys, what up? Hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. What up? ELUG. Market is very weak, same as yesterday. It wasn't great at all. I'm expecting probably around the same market as yesterday. To be honest, I'm not really fussed. I don't really care. This just chill, relax, no real time to trade unless there is a setup. All right, so yeah, I'm not in any rush. Discord members know it's all about discipline this week. It's 1 week, 1 day, whatever it is. The market will reverse at some point, and not the end of the world, but you just have to wait and stay patient. People, new traders are going to try and force trade setups because they see something moving and they think, oh, it's going to run, and it ends up crashing down like the whole market did yesterday at open. So yeah, just chill out, relax. There's no need to do anything. If I was you and trading isn't your full-time thing, in my opinion, go and chill out for the whole week. Take a week off from trading or something. Plug needs downtrend break, so I would not touch this unless there is a downtrend break. Give me 1 minute, guys. All right, let's get the questions in, post some tickers, all that kind of stuff, and I will be with you in exactly 1 minute. All right, 1 minute. Let me just change my screen quickly. All right, so we're going to be back. I'll be back in 1 minute, but make sure you put a question in, get a ticker in there, and I'll see you guys in 1 minute. Right, I am back. I am back. Let me see if I caught up with everything. Yeah, I've caught up with everything. DGNX. Let's have a look at another one. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Twitter guys. What up? What up, YouTube? I will see you in 1 minute. do some catch up on these charts on Twitter. I have like a couple more, and then I will be with you all. Let me make sure the screen's changed. Yeah, it has. All right, this is DGNX, $78. You have $90. This chart is very bullish considering yesterday's market. But yeah, as I was saying, for those who joined, the market is not great again today. I don't expect much today. Going to be trading, as I mentioned, to members, and I'll tell you guys as well, right? I am only going to be trading with 50% size, maybe even 25% of my trading size, because guys, I know the market's not great right now. I'm not going to try and force setups, and I know that there's a higher probability I'll probably get stopped out and I won't make as much money. So for me, you know, I'll try a couple of setups here and there, but I'm not really looking to make much money this week because obviously there isn't much potential yet. Until I find something and the market starts to push up and I'm more confident, then I will up my trade size. So that means if I normally go for $1,000 per trade, right? All that means is that I go in with $500 or maybe $250, 25% of my, right? That's all. It's called managing risk, and that is discipline, all right? Most people now are going to try and trade with the same size, expect the same result when they know and they look and stand back from the market and understand, oh, look, the market's not running. Everything's going down. Why am I trying to do this? This is stupid, right? So I'm just giving you guys some advanced tips and giving you guys some knowledge that you should know and that you should implement into your trading, right? Not every day you need to trade with full size. You need to go crazy and make $1 million. It's not like that, right? Especially if you're trying to be in this long term. If you want to make your quick money here and there, then trading is not for you at all, in my opinion. Right, I'll get to you guys on YouTube in a minute. Let me just go through. I've got one or two more charts here. Okay, cool. I am caught up. Nice. Perfect. I am all caught up. So now we can just chill for now. Yeah, we can chill for now. All right, cool. Happy trading day. Let's go. Good morning. I messed up on STEC. Didn't. So Bush Show, what is the reasoning? My question is to you. I would like to know this just out of curiosity. Why didn't you have a stop loss in your trade? Like what is the reasoning for you? Why didn't you use a stop loss in your trade? So here currently there's nothing you can do. I would sell it, I would cut it, there's nothing. Extremely bearish. It's come down to a support level. Maybe there's a reversal, but for me, you know, I would have been out long time ago. I would have been out at 5%, or sorry, 3% is my stop loss from my entry. So yeah, I'm hoping you've cut the loss or somehow are going to recover it, but do not add to your position. Do not try and buy more, all of this kind of stuff. Moving forward, use a stop loss and focus on cutting your losses and focusing on the best setup you can. But if the excuse is, oh, I forgot, I wasn't watching stuff, then yeah, I don't think you should trade when you're busy, or just trade in general until you have free time to do it, because otherwise you might as well go and give your money somewhere else or to someone else who is able to trade, or I don't know, because otherwise it's just a waste in my opinion. Envo, very nice. Discord members, I know 2 people just messaged me. Sorry, 1 person just messaged me as a different message. But yeah, 128 break was the entry point there. Very nice. I think I gave it to you guys on Twitter. Well, did I? What is this play called? This is called. So this does look good. I would keep this one on watch day. 150. 150, 175, and then you have the usual $2. There you go. These are your key levels. Envo, but looks fantastic. If you're not in it, do not chase. If you want to chase, don't be upset if it goes red. SRM, there is low volume. SRM, very bearish. Majority of the charts that people are going to share with me now, and you'll see that I go over, 99.99% of them will all be red. They'll be in a downtrend because of yesterday's price action. Everything literally went down 20-30%. So SRM, extremely bearish. GTBP, I don't really like something like this that has crazy price action like this. I know these are fake candles here, but maybe if you have to take an entry, then you could look for above 341, which is the high of day. MFI, I'm not interested in this. I removed this off my watch list since it is under $1 and I'm not going to be touching it at all. I don't care about stocks on $1. If you have to take this trade, I would wait for a break above $1. ATCH. ATCH, another one, just like that other play that someone mentioned. This is also bearish. Yes, there's a potential that they can reverse, but for me, yeah, today's market doesn't look too great. Maybe above 605 you can look for an entry. Maybe there's support here to push up, but I would really focus and make it easy for yourself, because everyone here is here to make money in trading, right? So now think about this. What is the highest probability of you making money in the market, right? You're playing the plays that have volume, that are in an uptrend, that are bullish, that everyone wants to buy, that there's a huge demand and that buyers are in control, and you can see a steady uptrend, right? So focus on trades like that. Use the top gainers list, go onto Webull, go onto investing, wherever you need to find the top gainers. Focus on those trade setups. Don't try and buy something that's down 50, 60% yesterday and say, oh, here's the reversal, I'm going to buy the dip, this, and this. If that's your style of trading, that's fine, but you might be waiting a very long time, or you might have nailed it. And 99% of the time, you're not going to nail the bottom of a trade, because it's pretty much impossible unless you have some magical indicator or something. But moving forward, I think you guys should just focus on top gainers. If you want to join the Discord, that is all we focus on, and that's why we have very high consistency and win rate and profitability, because we focus on the highest probability setups. All right, easy as that. ATCH needs 605 break. Anything below, not interested. What up, Ganesh? What up, what up, what up? RKLB. RKLB is in a downtrend. Yeah, another one like this. Look, strong bearish trend. So for this, you just want to ignore it here. Like here, you just want to draw the downtrend. You don't want to try and find support and buy in the demand zone or support, because right now this is very bearish. So for me, I would just wait for it to simply find or break the downtrend, because right now it's too difficult to take the trade. Needs downtrend break for entries. All right, so wait for that downtrend break for entries to look for a possible trade setup. Wafu up 82%. Let's have a look. Wafu, nothing on Wafu unless $3.96. That's where I'm going to look for an entry, because I know that if it breaks 396, that means there's high volume. It's broken the highest point of the day. There's a higher probability it will continue to go up. Now, I don't know what's happening. It might reject here, come down, here, down. I don't know. Right, so Wafu, wait for 396. Wait for 396 break to enter. Yeah, 396, sorry, 396 break to look for your entry. What's happening with HEPA? HEPA, same with HEPA, everything's just down. Hasn't really moved too much, considering yesterday it was only down 4%, considering other plays. So yeah, might be a reversal coming, who knows, but I'm not very confident with the current market situation. That's why I only just focus on day trade setups, because that's where I can make my money and get out. Because if the market does dip, I'm already out my trade, or my stop loss has only hit 3%. So this is a falling wedge plus demand zone, which is a bullish reversal pattern, and demand zone is where buys step in. So there's a high probability this will go up. Make sure to have a stop loss when you trade. AIFF still same target entry. I'm not too sure what you mean by that. Yes, I would not touch this. This is a very bearish chart. I don't know. I wouldn't even be watching this or have it on my watch list at all. It's too bearish to even consider anything. I would, like I said, focus on the top gainers and the top movers. That's all you should be focusing on if you want to become a day trader, right? If you want to become long-term swing trader and that, then the way I share and teach and trade is definitely not the way that you should be following. When you want to become a long-term trader, maybe if you want to understand technicals, fine. But if you want to become a day trader, then you should follow what I'm trying to say, because that is the best way. You know that you can gain the best way to find your entries, especially understand proper technicals, right? No BS. I don't use all these fancy indicators and buy sell indicators, all that. I literally focus on real price action that you can predict if you understand and learn it very well, which is what I try and share every day. Yes, managing risk is key. I got stuck in YY. Everyone loves saying that word. I got stuck. Guys, you're not stuck in the trade. It was just a stupid mistake that you made because you didn't use your stop loss. So what you should do is, moving forward, is if you're not going to enter a trade and you're busy and you don't use a stop loss, then you should not be trading. It's as simple as that. So moving forward, if you have a stop loss, then you can take a trade. If you take a trade and because someone said buy, because they said it's going to this price target, you're going to lose all of your money and you're going to blow your account and you're going to keep trying to put money in and you're not going to get anywhere with trading. So I think moving forward, people should definitely be using a stop loss. Or just join the Discord, because if you join the Discord, you will definitely and for sure use a stop loss. BBAI is bearish. Strong downtrend, nothing on this. No sign reversal, no bullish trend, nothing. Needs a downtrend break to look for entries. Maybe it's a star reversal, who knows? We'll have to wait to see. FTMO, you mean FMTO? FMTO, nothing on this unless there's $10 break. RTC, 13% down, very bearish, low volume, absolutely nothing on this. This is one of my favorite trades to just avoid. Well, not trade, but I guess you could say trade setup, because it's bearish, it's in a downtrend, no volume, nothing, right? For me as a day trader, looking at this is just a no-go. I just chuck it in the bin and move on to something a lot more high probability. Like this one, there's a probably 99% chance if I take the trade, I'll lose on it. So that's what I try and avoid, all those trades. SLXN looks great. This is moving up. It is over $1. We'll see if it can actually hold $1 today. Yeah, but you're starting to break out of a downtrend here. Is your downtrend like this? Yeah, you've obviously got a breakout here. I'll draw the key levels next so you can save it, screenshot it. You have a high here, 250 here, yeah, so these are your levels right here. Yeah, so there's a breakout on SLXN. Please do not try and enter this now. This is newbies thing, guys. New people who are trading, please do not go and buy this stock right now, because you know your thought process and entering a trade, oh, it's going up, so it has to go up. When I get in, it's going to go up. And then what happens when that happens? When you get in, you lose because it goes straight down because you bought right at the top. Understand how to trade reversals. Trade reversals. Understand what a reversal candlestick looks like. Understand what a reversal chart pattern looks like. Understand what a red and green candle is. All those things. Use some indicators if you want to, but don't go and buy a stock because, oh, it's going up. Right? It's the biggest load of BS. You're just going to waste your time trading. You're not going to get anywhere, unfortunately. RSLS, what do I think? RSLS, nothing. Low volume, bearish. Not too sure about the PLTR and that reversal. I think they're completely different sectors. Could be wrong though. MBRX, nothing unless $2. This is downtrend now. It's pulling back huge. So look for an entry. I would wait for $2. QBTS, it's in a demand zone. I don't really like something like this right now. All the quantum stocks, all of them are bearish. The whole market's bearish, so it's very difficult to understand how this trades. So in my opinion, just leave it for now until you see a steady uptrend and break at least a high here, like 750 plus. Maybe you could look for an entry, but right now, nothing. DOMH, 14%. I do like this setup. Obviously you want a little more price action, so let's see if it can do something like this, maybe come down again, then break up to the upside like this. So you could see something like that to happen, hopefully. Yeah, SLXN, I just went over this. Nothing for me now. I don't know how to trade, so I can't help you guys, and that's why I'm not going to say anything, because I don't know. I don't know how to trade something like this, so I'd just rather just leave it. I'll let it cool down, give it an hour, 2 hours, and then if it gives me the same price action, it gives me a good setup, then I would look for a trade. My rocket scientist husband loves you. UBTS, same as this one, just went over that. RGTI, the whole quantum sector, guys, AI theme, everything, every single stock on the market is pretty much bearish. To just make it clear and understanding for everyone, I'm sure everyone knew and could see by their long-term portfolios or just the market in general. The whole market has come down. It's bearish. There is nothing to do. The easiest way to trade something like this in a bearish market, it's actually the easiest way to trade in my opinion, because all you have to do is draw a line, draw the trend. It will be in a downtrend, and if it breaks the downtrend, that is where you can look for entry. That's it. So look, what do we notice? We're in a downtrend, right? It's as simple as this. No indicator, no buy sell indicator. No one's telling you what to do. It's simple technical analysis. The stock is going down. If a candle closes above the trend, that means the trend is now reversing to a bullish trend. When a trend is in a bullish trend, there is a high probability it will go up. When it goes up, buy a step in, and then obviously you have your target, and then you have your stop loss in place. So everything now, draw the line. Is it going up? Is it going down? Most of them will be going down. SRM, there is nothing going on with this. Someone asked me earlier, there is nothing going on with SRM. Strong downtrend. Do I always use a 3% stop loss? Pre-market, I use a 5%. Intraday, I use 3% every time. Like 3.5, 3.6. BRT, another one. So look, someone asked about this. What do we see? We're in a downtrend. So when we're in a downtrend, what do? We just do exactly what I just mentioned. I said, let the candle body close above. It could be here at $97. It could be all the way down here at $77. Right? I don't know where it will break and close above, but I can tell you once it breaks and closes above, there's a high probability it will go up. VRT, no, nothing on this. ACHR is broken below demand zone. This is bearish. Another one that's got a huge sell-off like the rest of the market, as I just mentioned 2 minutes ago. But for your sake, I will help you very easily. Go into the 4-hour time frame, draw the trend line, understand what's going on. We know that now it's in a downtrend. We're not looking for anything. We don't care. We're not going to try and buy here or hope that it's going to reverse. If you want to try and do that way and trade that way, you're more than welcome to. I don't know how to trade that way, so I'm just giving you my analysis and what I expect. Lucid is in the demand zone. This might be a possible reversal here. I will be watching this one today for a possible reversal. ONVOs are still going. Very nice. ONVO looks great. Yeah, ONVO looks good. We'll watch that one today. BKSY up 5%. Another chart that is bearish. So all we have to do is go to the highest point of this chart right now, go to the downtrend, and then all we understand is that it's in a downtrend. Wait for the downtrend to break, and you can look for your entries. Ubo, we'll see. I saw this one at break even yesterday, and it literally closed at my break even as well. Fubo, nothing unless 420 break. Close above 420, then maybe you can look for entries. Right now, it is not worth an entry at all. Just relax on that trade setup. Just wait. Because right now, the market is bearish. I don't expect anything to be very crazy. So we will have to see. You say MVST has bottom. No, I did not say it has bottom. I'm saying this is at a support level on MVST, but there's, when you see something that has a lack of volume, very easy to understand where volume is and how it looks. These dots here show low volume. Candles, proper price action. Maybe this candle here has a lot more volume. Compare this candle here on the 5-minute time frame to ONVO. Can you see how clear this is? This means that there's high volume, that there is obviously what? A potential that this stock can go up, and that there is obviously volume which can move the stock to the upside. But MVST at the moment, there's nothing. I don't know. I don't know what will happen here, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I don't know. Same thing as always. Just go like this. Get the trend, draw it, downtrend. Difficult right now. So you're going to have to just wait it out. I might sound like a broken record, but everything you see right now is bearish. SLXN, what's happening here? Nothing on SLXN. ONVO is looking good for today. GTBP, not interested unless 341 break. MBRX, nothing unless $2 break on this. Yeah, $2 break. WAFU, same as this one. We're going to watch 396 today. 396 break, highest point. That looks like it will be good. Bria needs to hold $1. Probably just going to delete this one, to be honest. FMTO, not interested on this one either today. Fubo, not much volume at the moment, but hopefully this will reverse. Can you identify BTDR? Assuming this is bearish. So this is down 21%. So when a stock is down, okay, this is a very simple trade. This is easy to do. Okay, let's do this together. Are you ready? We'll do a top-down analysis. Weekly is showing what? It's in a downtrend. Daily is showing that you are in a downtrend. 4 hour is showing that you're in a downtrend. The 1 hour time frame is showing you're in a downtrend. The 30-minute and so on is downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. So you're asking me for the entry point. So if you were listening from the start, or what I've been talking about for the last 20 minutes or so, 33 minutes, all you have to do is draw the trend line and identify the trend. We can identify the trend without even looking at it, but to make it easy for everyone, we can draw the trend. Now we can identify the trend is bearish. Where's it going to go down to? I do not know where it's going to go down to. So what I suggest is let it do its thing, whatever it wants to do. If it wants to find support here, all the way down here, wherever, that's fantastic. You are only considering a buy or an entry when it closes above the downtrend. That's it. All right. So there is absolutely nothing. This thing is down 20%. 20%. You do not want to be buying something that's down 20%. Trust me, you do not want to do it. GTBP. GTBP. Yeah, this one's coming down. ONVO is coming down. SLXN, candlestick strategy, Discord members. In a down market, I would imagine day traders will focus. No, so the easy day trade is the easiest. The reason why I love day trading, because it's actually very easy if you understand how to trade. So if you can understand how to trade, day trade is based on technical analysis. I think there's a very, very small amount that trade on fundamentals. Oh, there's news and I don't know, buy because of the news. Like that for me, it doesn't make sense, but I don't think day traders do that at all. They trade based on technicals. That means chart patterns, candlesticks, price action in general. So that is how they trade. So that means that they'll trade on the stocks that give them the best technical setups, which are usually the top gainers, which are all these stocks that I have here. 78%, 48%, 31%, 250%, 60%. Then from here, then we'll focus on which ones give us the best setup, and then we trade from there. That's simply how we trade, or how I trade, and assuming most others do. Zone, nothing on this. I know it's up 15%, but yeah, another one. I don't know. It's not much price action. I don't really like something like this. Maybe the news is coming in now or late, but yeah, you can wait for 155. If you like it now, you can take it if you want to, but I don't see any possible entries right now. Okay, what else is moving? Let me refresh this. And that one. Selection looks good. ONVO, yeah. ONVO will come down. Where's VWAP? Yeah, I'll come down to probably VWAP to reverse. GTVP. So I don't have much on my watch list, to be honest with you. MBRX is one. Just these blue ones are the plays that are on my current watch list. But we'll see what QBTS and RR and all those plays do. Because obviously we can expect them to reverse at some point with the rest of the market. Let's have a look at the SPY. How did that get beaten yesterday? Yeah, so the SPY broke a big support level here. I think it will keep climbing down. SPY does not look good. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, your next major support level is around here, to be honest. 590, 590.50. So in my opinion, this is your next possible pullback SPY. This is a major support level here. 590. There you go. Do I need to have a lot to day trade? No, you do not. It depends. You're talking about $1 million is a lot to some people, right? To be realistic, $500, $1,000 you can day trade. It just depends. If you're starting out and wanting to learn, you can trade with as much money. Do a demo account, learn how to trade, understand the strategy. Then from there you can trade. And be realistic as a day trader. If you can achieve 1% on your account a day, that's 5% a week, 20% a month. Whether making 1% on your account with $1,000 or $1 million or $200, it's all relative. That's why I mentioned to Discord members, focus on percentage. Making 1% on your account is 20% a month. You're not going to make it every day. You're not going to make 1% every day. But if you can aim for that, to achieve 1% on your account every day and achieve 20% a month, you do not need to buy real estate. You don't need to do anything else. Then you can just trade. You have the skill for life and you can basically do whatever you want with your money and make infinite amount of money, to be honest. But there's a lot of discipline and there's a lot of time and effort you need to put into it. SLXN's right here. 183 is your next big resistance level on this. My husband sold everything on Friday and thanks to you running further. Nice. Wow. Fair play. I mean, I didn't know. I don't know. Does anybody even know why the market crashed like that yesterday? I have no idea. I didn't see any news, nothing. This one's no entries. GTBP, no entries unless 41 break. Yeah, it needs 341 break on this to look for any possible entries, because right now I just wouldn't do anything. Right, I'm going to go with my watches, guys, and I'm going to head out into the Discord. SLXM, very bullish. Yeah, looks great. Definitely not going to be entering now. We'll just wait it out. ONVO, wait for 146 break to take your entry on this. GTBP, wait for 341 to take an entry on this. MBRX, only above $2 would be a good entry. WAFU, pushing up. I would wait for $3.96. And that's about it, guys. I don't really have much on my watch list. In my opinion, I would just chill today, maybe even tomorrow and the rest of the week, right? I'm sure it will reverse very, very soon, but we just have to wait and sit on our hands until we get any possible entries. All right, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, evening, morning, afternoon, and I will see you all later. Peace.